I'm going to Nice in a couple of weeks actually, so this is a French olive oil. Heat that up. And then first of all, just brown off the chicken thighs. I do about 2 thighs per person, 3 if you've got some hungry lads like I've got. So let those brown off. I'd add a little bit of just dried mixed herbs. I've got some chicken seasoning. Again, this is from the Waitrose. Just a little tiny bit of that. Some garlic granules. Again, a little teaspoon of that. I'd put some of my garlicky salt in as well. And some